That question.
Yes, so
I
we
did
can.
that question in the exam actually, but
Hmm? That question is
I already did that in the exam.
okay. So 1 minute. Okay, this is the question number 4, na?
Ah, yes, sir.
So question number 4 is a person is asked to point four pillars ABCD located at four corners of a rectangular football ground. Okay. The person is allowed to use only one color on a pillar. So a person is asked to paint, sorry, a person asked to paint four pillars ABCD located at four corners of a rectangular football. Okay. So there are four pillars ABCD like this. And person allowed to use only one color on a pillar. एक pillar पे एक ही color use करेगा. However, more than one pillar can be painted with same color. अच्छा, more than one pillar can be painted with same color. So you है ना. So one pillar has to be colored with single color, and same color can be used to this. Okay. So you can use maximum four color है ना. So at least one color will be used and at most four color will be used. So you can use single color to color or four paint all four pillars. One way is this. You can use two colors, three color, or maximum you can use four colors. Now, however, more than one pillar can be painted with the same color. How assume that the person has four colors. अच्छा, person के पास चार color है. Green, maroon, red, and yellow. Okay. So there are four color: green, maroon, red, and yellow. There are four colors and four corners are there. Chooses a color at random with equal probability to paint a pillar. So है ना, he choose a color at random. So it's a kind of you say these are what, balls, and these are boxes. Is it? Yes. So balls can be thrown into boxes. So all balls can be in single. है ना? Yes. So you believe these are balls. So the corners are balls. And corners means they are balls. So A, B, C, D. And the color, they are box. So they are green, maroon, red, yellow. So you randomly, है ना? So first you have to throw into one of the color, it will fall. Second, fall into one of the color. Third will fall into one of the color. Fourth will fall into one of the color. So all four may have the same color. This is allowed. Okay. Yeah. Two color cannot be used on same. So one box cannot be in two. So this is a sign. So you can think in this way. You have four balls ABCD and there are four boxes GMRY. Now think this way. So okay, so chooses a color at random. So color means chooses a box at random. Acha, box at random. With equal probability to paint a pillar. To paint a pillar. Acha. So you are actually drawing a color to paint a pillar. So one color can paint only one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Given that any two pillar located at adjacent color are painted with different colors. They have given you, so they are combinatorial problem actually. So two adjacent colors are surely different color they have given you. So what is the probability that all four colors are used? So what is the probability that all four colors are used? So they use a color at random, paint a, है ना, chooses a color at random with equal probability to paint a pillar. So four are there, 1 by 4 is the probability of each. So they paint a pillar. So they will paint any one, है ना. Given that they paint different color, given that two pillars located at adjacent corners are painted with different colors. So there are two events. Let's say event I give EF, है ना, F. So adjacent colors are adjacent pillars are different color. है ना, they have given, and E is the all colors are used. Alright. So probability of E given F. So probability of E intersection F upon probability of F. They are asking you this. Now, okay. So probability of E intersection F means what? They used all color. So means 4 colors are used to paint 4 what?
Pillars, right?
Pillars. So how many way you can paint 4 pillar in 4?
4 factorial.
Okay. So it is a shared event. No, I mean 1 minute. So total number of possibility was 4 factorial, na? Oh, but here
No,
no.
total number of painting in different 4 colors is 4 factorial, right?
Yeah, it is a 4 factorial. But how
Yeah.
many total number of way we have that we can color?
4 raised to 4.
So each color has 4 choice, right? So 4. But second color has how many choice? Only 3. Think carefully. How 4?
So here it is the case of repetition permitted, right? So like we can color all the 4 pillars using the same color like green, or we can color all the 4 with the maroon, red, white, yellow and all.
Yes.
So then total 4 raised to 4 total possibilities will be there, right?
Okay. So you are saying A can have any color out of 4. B can have
Yeah.
any. C can have any and D can have any. That you can say.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that can have all can have of same color, right? It is possible.
Yeah.
So it is like first ball has 4 choices. Second ball has 4 choice. Third ball has 4 choice. Fourth ball has 4 choice. Okay. Yeah, agree. So here it will be each ball has 4 choice. Each pillar can be of any color. Second can be of any color. Third can be of any color. Fourth can be any color. So it is the initial situation, na? So yes, okay, it is 4 is. So what will you answer? 4 factorial by 4 is to power 4. Now come to denominator. Adjacent pillars are of different color. Adjacent pillars are of different color. So A is different than B, B is different than C, C is different than D, and D is different than A. So how many way you have? So just you can think of number of way. That's all. It was there are 4 factorial ways, and what is the number of way corresponding to this? That will be the here. So how many way you can do adjacent pillars of different colors? So adjacent pillars are of different color. How many way you can color? That you think that will the answer?
Yeah.
Think of this.
Yeah, okay. But my doubt was in the exam, I did this problem by finding all the possible combinations for the denominator.
No problem. So you went
Uh,
through manual way.
yes, sir.
Okay. So no problem. Yeah.
Uh,
Then
then I got the answer, but my doubt was is there any other way to solve this question rather than finding all the different possibilities
okay. So
manually?
you were counting different colors. So like it is a green. So suppose A has 4 choices, है ना? So B has now 3 choice, right? It's
Yes,
a
sir.
kind of arrangement of so A has 4 choice, B has 3 choice, then C again has 3 choice, except B. Oh, but you have to leave the 2 adjacent, right? So C and B will have different color. C and D will have different color. B and D may have same color, no problem. Okay, so 4 factorial is the way in which you can color all with or 4 different colors. That is the one way. Now I'm
Okay.
using just 3 colors. The question is, this is the way in which all 4 color was used. So how many the way number of way in which only 3 colors are used? So there are 4C3 way. So 4C3. Now only 3 color will be used. So what is the number of way then? So you have 3 colors. Suppose G is dropped. We have chosen 4C3. So total number of combination of 3 objects. So now we have just 3 colors. So how many total number of way we have? But with the restriction that adjacent pillars are adjacent, are of different color. So 3 colors are used, na? Only 3 colors are used. So that we have to think 4C2. Only 2 colors are used. So then you can color 1 to I'm writing, 2, then 1, and then 2. This will work?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how many possibilities we have? So this is one, no, 4C2, 2 color we choose, or we can interchange into, there are 2 way, 1 2 1 2, or 2 1 2 1. That is the only way. So that is this. Only this you have to find. That will, okay, that is okay now. And a one color you cannot use because adjacent will be of same color. So that is the 6. So this you have, only this we need to find. So I think that we can count manually also, like 1 2, and exactly 3 colors we are using here. Okay, so 1 2 3, and here we can we can take what, we can take 2, or we can take 1 we cannot take. So I said 1 2 3, color 1 2 3, and then out of this we have to choose.
Two.
Adjacent is 1 3, so only 2 is the possibility, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so how many, so one case came 1 2 3 2. Okay, now what we can do, we can permute these 3 only, and this will be adjusted automatically, the middle one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how many way you can arrange these 3? 3 factorial. It is 2 factorial. Oh, so now we got the pattern. So if I can write this 4 factorial, it is was 4C4 into, how many we can write?
4 factorial.
No, it was 4 factorial, na? So 4 factorial. Yes, we got the pattern. 4C4 into 4 factorial, 4C3 into 3 factorial, 4C2 into 2 factorial. That is the one. 4C1 into 1 factorial we cannot do because it was different. So this should be the answer. You check, did you get the right answer in exam, or I'm doing something else? So you find what is the answer here. So it is,
Okay, sir.
so you check what is the final answer, you tell. It is the 24 in the numerator. Here is a 24. 4C3 is just 4. So I think again it is 24 now. 24 now. So thus 3 we have chosen. I think 4C3 was the, that is a 3 color that we have to choose. That 3 color we can choose any 3. And that 3 can be arranged in this way. Okay. And 4C2 is 6 into 2, 12. So 12. So it is like 24 upon 60. So it is a 2 by 5 kind. What was your answer?
I think I got something like this. I don't remember the answer exactly.
Okay, okay. So we have to think carefully here, na? That is the point.
O- Okay, sir. Good.
Okay, let me check. Acha, you don't have official answer key, so okay, we can think again. If something is wrong, we can think again. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will try once again in manual way and I will tell you.
Yes, I think na, we have, this is a good question actually, but we have to, I think numerator is fine. In denominator, we might have to think something, है ना? So what I tried, we choose 4 color, and then all 4 color used at all 4 corner. That is 4 factorial. Then
Mm.
we have used only 3 color. So which 3 you will choose? To take any 3, and then that 3 was used 1 2 3, and that we have permutation. So 3 2 1, all that, है ना? So how many way we could have done? Actually, circular, right? So in circular, it will not work in the same way as linear. It is a circular permutation, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
circular permutation and linear permutation will not work in the same way, right? So it was circular, like I mean, there were three. I said, 1 2 3 2, 2 3 1 2 like this. Say 2 3 1, so it was 3. Then है ना, या 1 3 2 3 हो जाएगा. Then 2, तो 6 will be there, and so we are considering pillars are different and colors are also different, right? So they are distinct pillars and distinct colors. So they also said the same. Okay, we can think again. But as of now, this is the answer. But we may think again if something is wrong. So you try.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you.